Got USDT in your SafePal wallet and want to transfer it to ByBit? Don't worry, I'll walk you through the exact steps to make this transfer smoothly and securely. Let's get started. Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams, where we simplify cryptocurrency for everyone. Today's question comes from a viewer who asked, "My SafePal wallet holds some USDT, and I have the seed phrase. How can I transfer it to ByBit?" If you're wondering how to do this, I've got you covered. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to access your SafePal wallet, how to verify your USDT balance, how to transfer USDT safely to your ByBit wallet. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more crypto tutorials. Step 1. Accessing your SafePal wallet. First things first, you'll need access to your SafePal wallet. 1. Open the SafePal app on your smartphone. If you're setting up the wallet for the first time, use your seed phrase, for example, Bloodfrost Vague Mom, to recover the wallet. 2. Go to Import Wallet in the app and enter your seed phrase carefully. Always ensure you're in a secure and private environment when doing this. 3. Once the wallet is restored, you should see your USDT balance under the TRC20 token list. Step 2. Verify your USDT balance. Now, let's confirm your USDT balance. 1. Go to the Assets section in the SafePal app. 2. Check for USDT under the TRC20 network since USDT on SafePal often uses this network. 3. If your balance isn't showing, tap the plus icon to add USDT manually by searching for USTRC-20 and enabling it. Step 3. Obtain your ByBit deposit address. Next, we'll get your USDT deposit address from ByBit. 1. Open the ByBit app or log into ByBit on your browser. 2. Navigate to the Assets section and select Deposit. 3. Choose USDT as the cryptocurrency and select the TRC20 network. 4. ByBit will provide you with a unique deposit address. Copy this address carefully. Step 4. Sending USDT from SafePal to ByBit. Now it's time to transfer your USDT. 1. Go back to the SafePal app and select your USTRC-20 balance. 2. Tap Send and paste the ByBit deposit address you copied earlier. 3. Double-check the address to avoid errors. 4. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Make sure to leave a small amount of TRX in your wallet to cover network fees, as TRC20 transactions require TRX for gas fees. 5. Confirm the transaction and wait for the network to process it. Typically, TRC20 transactions are completed within a few minutes. Step 5. Confirming the transfer. Finally, confirm that your USDT has arrived in your ByBit wallet. 1. Go to the Assets section in ByBit and check your USDT balance under the TRC20 network. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a few minutes for the blockchain to confirm the transfer. Once you see your balance, you're all set to start trading or using your funds on ByBit. Pro tips for safe transfers. Before we wrap up, here are 3 quick tips. 1. Always verify that you're using the correct network type. In this case, TRC20. 2. Double-check all wallet addresses before confirming a transaction. 3. Keep your seed phrase safe. Never share it with anyone, and avoid entering it into unofficial apps or websites. And that's it. You've successfully transferred USDT from your SafePal wallet to ByBit. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step crypto tutorials. Have more questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help.